Do you want to learn hypnosis? Do you want to amaze your friends and family members with the power of hypnosis? My friend, you might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. You must be wondering how it is done. And you really wanted to learn it. Now good news is you can learn it from home. My friend, I am PRADEEP Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching in 1977. I have traveled all over the world. I have trained more than 500,000 people all over the world in 180 countries. Now, my friend, to learn hypnosis from home, you don't need to come out and attend the workshop in Hyderabad, which I used to conduct workshop, 2 full-day workshop in Hyderabad. People used to come from all over India and abroad to attend the workshop. Now, being a coronavirus period, you don't need to come out of your house. You can learn it from home. The good news is I am conducting a very simple but very powerful workshop on WhatsApp. 28 days workshop. Yes, it's a 28 days workshop, practical workshop. It's a video workshop. Remember, it is a video workshop which you will learn by watching me doing the things. Now, in this workshop, you are going to learn by watching me. Some of the clippings were from my live seminar, some of the clipping which you have recorded for YouTube also, and from just for this workshop, we have recorded some demos. In this workshop, I will give you a demo, explain to you, and then you will do it. Within 4-5 days only, you started having fun with hypnosis with yourself and family members. You cannot go out right now because the coronavirus and lockdown period. Now, in this workshop, you will also learn some very powerful technique. Let me tell you what you are going to learn. You will learn what hypnosis is, how it is done, the theory about hypnosis. Then you will learn hypnotic imagination games, very powerful techniques. Then, not one, many of them I'll give you a demo and then explain to you, and then you can start doing it on others. Plus, while I'm teaching you, you can do it on yourself. And then you will learn simple hypnotic inductions, many of them, not 1 or 2, around 8 to 10 or maybe more videos you will watch where I explain to you how a person can be hypnotized and what are the symptoms of hypnosis and how you will know they are hypnotized. Simple inductions. And then you will come into instant induction, which you might have seen in the videos on the YouTube. You will learn, and you might have seen many of my videos where I am giving a demonstration. So you learn step by step, and then you will learn how to teach self-hypnosis, hypnotic pain control, plus I'll give you at least 5 techniques to do a content-free therapy. Content-free therapy means people don't need to tell what their problem is, they have to think in their mind and you can run the process and they will be healed. And all this technique doesn't take more than 5 minutes. You will see me in my live seminar where I'm teaching people and doing on them, and you can watch and learn and do it. This is a practical workshop. Why practical? Because I'll give you a demo, explain to you, and then you will watch me doing it, and then you will practice on yourself and others. Plus, you will learn self-hypnosis also. Now, my friend, in this workshop, you will get a manual which we normally give to my participants who come to attend my workshop all over the world. You will get a PDF of it, plus many more handouts. Now, this is a practical workshop. You will learn how hypnosis for fun, profit, and fame. How you will have fun, profit, and fame? Fun by doing hypnosis demos. Profit, you can do hypnotherapy. You can teach self-hypnosis, relieve their stress, anxiety, fear, phobia, a lot of things you can do, which you learn by doing it, watching me in the workshop there. And then we will become famous, because when you go to somewhere, meet some people and started doing these hypnotic fun things, the hypnotic fun thing like imagination game, and then hypnotizing them, you will become popular. So my friend, this workshop is happening on WhatsApp. That means every day you will get a video lesson from me. I'll explain to you what we are going to do, then show you, and then you watch it and practice. It is not a theory class like just talking somebody and giving you some paper. It is a practical workshop. You will feel like you are attending my live training program in Hyderabad. First lesson you will get on the first day at 9 p.m. After that you will get lesson between 5 to 6 p.m. every day except holidays and Sundays. It's 28 days working day workshop. Okay. Now workshop is starting and the bonus is available. The bonus offer which is given below, check it. Register right now. You can use Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, number given below. Or if you want to use the credit card, Our bank detail is also there on the page. You can transfer and send us the screenshot on the number given below, not the payment button, the other number given below. So we'll immediately add you in the main group. The main group where we'll be sending you lessons every day. So see you